Reading practice of lesson 51. Practice number 3. Dear Dr. Quill, the minute you step on board a royal business jet, you know it is an airplane that is well suited to the needs of today's far-ranging business leaders, period. The plane is designed to permit important business people to work efficiently and travel for hours and still be rested for more business when they finish their trip. Paragraph. The Royal has the speed of a large jetliner but can land on a smaller airfield, period. That is why we have won the business of nearly 5,000 companies since we began manufacturing airplanes in 1970, period. That is why about 200 companies have invested in royal jets this year alone, period. That is why companies are ordering royal jets faster than we can manufacture them. Paragraph. Before you decide to purchase any business jet, we will be glad to take you on a short business trip on a royal, period. No matter what you are looking for in a business jet, you will find that the royal possesses it, period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 4. Dear friend, thank you for purchasing a national boiler from our West Street store, period. It was shipped yesterday morning and you should have it soon. Paragraph. This boiler has been fully tested and was operating with top efficiency before it was created, period. When it arrives, call us and we will send a member of our service staff to install it. Paragraph. To be sure that you get the finest service from your boiler, comma, you should read all the details in the circular that is enclosed. Period. The more things you know about your boiler, comma, the more years of valuable service you will receive from it. Paragraph. When your boiler needs service for any reason, comma, it is important that you call us at once. Period. We will have a member of our staff at your home in a matter of hours. Period. Sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 5. Gentlemen, colon. We have decided that next month we will add a salesperson to our staff to cover the East Coast, comma, where we have not had anyone selling for us since 1978, period. We are willing to pay the right person beginning salary of $1,000 a month. Paragraph. If you know of anyone who is a likely candidate for this job, comma, please have him or her call Mrs. Ethel Smith, comma, our director of personnel at 555-1156. Paragraph. Thank you for any help you may be able to give us in filling this position of importance, period. Yours very truly, comma. Reading practice number 6. Mr. Royal, colon, I am delighted to tell you that this morning I had a good session with Mr. Charles Burns, comma, treasurer of the Troy Finance Company, period. We talked earnestly for about an hour, after which he said he would give his approval to our application for a loan of $40,000 so that we could purchase the delivery trucks we need so urgently. Paragraph. The company's check should arrive by July 8, period. When you receive it, comma, please arrange for the purchase of the tracts at once, period. Charles Green. Reading practice number 7. Dear Dr. Queen, colon, today we are faced with an important problem that could influence the ordering and shipping of books to colleges next fall, period. This problem is a paper shortage caused by strikes that have stopped work at the plants of many paper manufacturers, period. We think that the effect of these strikes will soon be felt by the entire book industry, paragraph. If I were you, comma, therefore, comma, I would try to persuade your staff to decide quickly what books they will need for their classes in the fall semester and place an order for them, period. Any orders that we ship in May and June will not be filled before the end of July, period. Sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 8. To the staff, colon, as you will see by the enclosed copy of a letter I received from the Swan Book Company, comma, they may not be able to take care of all college book needs for fall classes because of a shortage of paper, period. They urge us to place our full order at once, paragraph. Would you be good enough, therefore, to indicate your full book needs on the enclosed sheet and send the sheet back before the end of this month, period. Thank you for your cooperation, period. C. H. Yale. Reading practice number 9. Gentlemen, colon, business letters that do the job is not just one more book about business letters, period. It is a collection of business letters that served the purpose for which they were prepared, and that can be adapted to your own letter writing needs. Paragraph. The book has 250 letters, period. Each letter is analyzed so that the reader quickly learns why the letter was effective. Paragraph. Send for a copy of business letters that do the job, period. It costs only $10, period. You can order your copy by filling in and mailing the order coupon attached to the enclosed circular, period. Yours truly, comma.